Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about Perplexity. So Perplexity is like when you combine Google and ChatGPT together. It has access to the web and you can search anything you want and the AI will generate answers for you in just seconds. There are a few ways to search for content here with Perplexity. The first one is pretty straightforward. You just have to type in your query and the AI will generate the answer for you. Alright, so I did a basic search for benefits of cold showers and the AI has generated all these answers. At the top, you'll find all the sources that the AI has generated the answers from. And below that, you have your answers in bullet points. So everything is tailored and it's to the point. After that, you can ask follow-up questions and the AI will generate answers for it. Keep asking follow-up questions and then do your research. Alright, so up next we have the focus mode. If you click on it, you can tailor the content specific for academic, writing, YouTube or Reddit. So the first one you have all, that means it will search across the entire internet and it will generate the answers for you. So let's try with the academic. Alright, so the answers generated in focused academic mode is tailored specifically for academic purposes. You can do all your research here and then use it in your college or school's assignments. The best feature I like is the YouTube feature. While selected, you can search anything you want and the AI will generate answers for you from YouTube. Alright, so I asked latest camera reviews and the AI has generated this answer. It will have a summary and then you can find the sources here. So you can rely on Perplexity and generate the best answers for you. Alright, so after that we have Reddit and writing as well. So if you click on Reddit, the AI will search all the Reddit posts and discussions and it will provide the best answers for you. Alright, and there you go, the AI has generated the answer in just seconds. And you can check out all the sources, everything is from Reddit. Alright, so after that we have one last option, that is the Pro option. If you click on it, the AI will generate longer answers with much more detailed analysis. Alright, so as you can see in Pro Search, the AI has generated much more detailed analysis and you can click all these numbers and it will straight away take you to the source. So same as before, you can ask follow-up questions and the AI will generate answers for you. One other unique feature of Perplexity is that you can attach images, PDFs and text and the AI will generate information based on the attached files. Alright, so that was it for today. That was a quick overview on how you can search on Perplexity. I hope you find this video helpful and if you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.